Hey, if you are looking for a therapist or if you're wondering if your current therapist is a good fit, I've got two things that I want you to consider. I'm Dr. Suzanne Manser. I'm a clinical psychologist. I've been in private practice for 24 years. This is what I do all day, every day. This is what I love to talk about. So we're going to talk about two things today to look for in a therapist. Number one, do you feel comfortable with them? That's really important. The first time you meet somebody, especially a therapist, you might not feel super comfortable with them. It's a weird situation. You're having to talk about vulnerable things. You might not feel super comfortable, but you do want to feel some level of comfort with your therapist, and especially once you've sort of seen them for a little bit of time. Certainly if you don't trust your therapist, or if for any reason you don't feel comfortable with them, you might want to bring that up if it's a relationship that you've had for quite a while. But if it's not, it's probably just not worth continuing. It's probably just not a good match. Again, you want to feel comfortable enough to be able to say the hard things, to say the things that you want help with. So that's number one. Number two, how much does your therapist talk about themselves? I kind of always assumed that most therapists didn't talk about themselves very much because that's not very therapeutic. But the more I talk to people who have been in therapy, the more I find out that, wow, a lot of therapists talk about themselves quite a bit. That should be at the very least an orange flag, if not a red flag. It's totally fine, by the way, for your therapist to talk about themselves here and there, for them to talk about an experience that they had that is similar to the thing that you're talking about. They might be telling you about it as a way of showing that they understand, or as a way of showing you a different way of handling it. There's some reason that they're telling you about it. If, on the other hand, they're just telling you about their day, or complaining about their spouse, or venting about their coworker, that's probably not appropriate. When a therapist is talking about themselves, they're not probably working very much on your stuff, which is the whole reason that you're there and you're paying them. So again, if they talk about themselves a little bit, especially if it feels relevant to the discussion that you two are having in that moment, perfectly fine. If they're talking about themselves a lot, if you feel like you're actually not getting much airtime, especially, you probably want to look for a different therapist.